Trading is very, very hard. What makes trading very, very hard? For me, after studying the market for about a year and a half now, most of it is just spending time trading, which is ill-advisable because the whole point is to study and keep studying, keep studying, and keep studying. But what is, for me, on a personally, what is the most difficult part is the emotional factor. I thought the emotional part of trading was difficult, but the emotional part of working as a day trader within the community is harder than the emotions that are expressed within day trading. In day trading, if I have capital and I blow up the capital, ah, yeah, yeah, that kind of a blow up is 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 incredibly difficult. Uh, Due to necessity, I've taken on this road. I've gone this road. I suppose if I were to spend enough time, then I can go back to my engineering job. Because where there's a will, there's a way. I suppose I can do that. On the flip side, where there's a will, there is a way in day trading as well. And I chose this path. And the emotional and the hardest part about day trading at this point in my life is not the errors that blow up my account. I can easily make the money back and start over again. It's just a loss of a little bit of time. But that is a loss of time that is on a personal level. What I discovered is the most painful thing is in day trading is family. And especially for me, when I have brought a couple of people into this world with a partner, and what day trading has allowed me to discover on a personal level, that is currently the most difficult part of day trading. I know that, and I believe that there are consistently profitable day traders out there who have family who support them and love them. And so this journey begins entering into that world. And I hope to dissuade the decision that they have made, which is causing the most difficult part of day trading to be now. I hope to be prosperous very soon, so that I can look at them and communicate with them and show them the results. And after I show them the results, they will know that they will know that I was on the right path. But until then, it's a treacherous journey, and the most painful part is being apart from my own family, because trading is looked upon as it really is not looked so favorably in most people's eyes, and I can see why. I just hope that everything is in place that allows me to endure what I suspect is many, many years of studying, practice, and learning about myself, about day trading, so that I may finally succeed. I've made, just looking back, the first and second steps of entering into the day trading world. I look back a little bit, and I realize the difference between when I first started and today. Looking back from today and comparing it to the days when I first started, day trading, I had no idea. Now I have an idea, a better idea, a bigger picture of the idea. Whereas the clear and present and conscious perspective and the differences between the previous way that I traded and the way that I trade today is like night and day. Because in the past, I used to, for instance, I would just go long. And then if the stock went up, I just added more. And then if the stock went down, I added more. And then when it went down, I would add even more until I was completely out. Nowadays, I know that when a stock is moving down, it's going down for a reason. And just because it moved down a certain amount doesn't mean that it's going to stop there. It is probable. It is also probable that it might reverse. However, me knowing who I am and how the stock is related to the personalities of the individuals who are trading, just like living and breathing things, a company cannot be nimble enough to change its fundamental economic conditions within several days. It has to pivot, maneuver, and send out these messages to all the employees who work at that company to alter the course of events so that it can change the course where a true reversal of the stock price can occur. And that, based on my own personal reflections, does not happen overnight. But it does happen. It only happens when there is a personal learning that occurs and that infiltrates through every crevice of the person or the stock. Then the reversal occurs. So I'm thinking to myself, I spoke in detail, where am I getting on? Family, if you somehow get onto this video and have delayed clicking off this the video until now, and you're about to receive this personal message to you somehow, miraculously, and I know that right now there is no emphasis or catalyst that will want you first to look at this video out of numerous videos that I've created and land on this particular video. But I want you to know this. I want you to know that I'm working diligently, and I hope to be consistently profitable by building myself, changing the courses and the behaviors that I have, so that I can completely transform myself to becoming a consistent person, and consistent being positive cash flow. And when I get to that point, I will be a consistently profitable day trader. Until then, the greatest part about day trading is not having the support of my family. my own children, not even my own friends, because this day trading is is truly what I'm discovering is truly a profound experience into self-discovery and answering the life questions that I have never ever imagined that I would be asking myself. Uh, Family, a personal message. You have been the most difficult part of day trading. And everything else, a few years here and there, I'll discover it back. What I miss is being able to communicate with you. I hope that, I truly hope that my consistency and profitability reaches a point where I can make you the believer of me. And once that occurs, I believe a floodgate of communication will ensue. Until then, may God shelter me, provide me with finances to live day to day, and may God provide me the aptitude and the tools of my physical being to continue on this journey. I am so ever grateful for the individuals and the facilities and everyone involved in allowing me to go on this journey. I am truly, truly, truly thankful. And most importantly, I so look forward to rekindling our relationship between you and me, my children, you and me. Until then, where there is a low in life, there's always a way back up. So each day, I will miss you. I will see you then.